When I was a kid, I was literally so scared that I would accidentally summon Bloody Mary, like just by thinking her name 3 times in a row if I went into a dark bathroom. As a kid, mirrors and windows kind of represented a doorway and suggest the notion that something could be on the other side. But the thing is, if you've ever actually played Bloody Mary or Candyman, there's definitely something you should know about called the Caputo effect. Giovanni Caputo did an experiment in 2010 where he took people into a dimly lit room for an extended period of time, had them stare at their own reflections, and they would all see strange face illusions. These descriptions include seeing huge deformations in their own faces, seeing the faces of alive or deceased parents, and archetypal faces such as an old woman, a child, a portrait of an ancestor, animal faces, and even other monstrous beings. The dim lights cause sensory deprivation, and then we fill it in with imagination. And this can happen in less than a minute, creating an urban legend. While mirrors reflect, their contents are comparable to virtual reality. But there is so much more to this.